School is busy today. Yes, many children.
Hello. I feel nervous. I feel shy.
Welcome to our class, Abhi. We're so happy to have you.
Thank you. I'm a little nervous.
That's okay. Everyone, let's give Abhi a warm welcome.
Okay, thanks. Hi, Abhi.
Look, a new student. He is alone. Shisi, I have a dream. I felt nervous before. I felt shy too.
Misa!
Shisi, I need to tell you something. Yes, we understand him. We can help him. Let us go to him.
Hi.
Hi,
My name is Misi. I am Shisi.
my name is Abhi. I am new. I feel nervous and shy.
That is okay. I felt nervous too.
Really?
Yes.
What do you like?
I like drawing. Me too. I feel better now. Yay! I'm so happy! Me too! This is fun! Let's draw more together! New places can feel scary. New friends help. Be kind. Everyone is welcome! Did you like our story? Please like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel. Watch more stories with Misi and Shisi!